Alright guys, welcome back. This is Math 172. We're doing an example of an ellipse problem. The question is, find an equation for the ellipse that satisfies the following conditions. We know the foci are at plus and minus 5, 0, and the length of the major axis is 12. Okay, so that's all we got. So we've got to figure out the equations. All right, so the major axis, we know 12 is equal to 2a. So a then is 6. All right, plus and minus 5, 0. So on a graph, these are at -5, 0, and 5, 0. And a is 6. So the ellipse is going to come to 6 and then go all the way to 6 like this. All right, so that's our focus, and this is our ellipse. All right. We can use the data that they gave us to figure out, but since this is C in an ellipse, right, from the center to the focus is C, we know that C is 5. And we can use the relationships that exist between A, B, and C to find this axis. We know that C squared equals A squared minus B squared. So 5 squared equals 6 squared minus B. 25 equals 36 minus B squared. So then, rearranging, B squared equals 36 minus 25, so that's 11. So B squared is 11. We can see by symmetry that the center of this guy is at 0, 0. So our equation then becomes like x minus h squared over a squared plus x minus k squared over b squared equals 1. So that's our general ellipse equation. So now we're going to be putting in our details. So h is 0, k is 0. This is not x, this is y. X squared over 36 plus y squared over 11 equals 1. And that is the equation of the ellipse that satisfies these conditions. Thanks, guys.